Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really fun and bold eye using the new bareMinerals Mineralist Eyeshadow Palette as well as eyeliner. I hope you guys enjoy. So what I'm going to do is take some of the Sapphire. These are super creamy, super pigmented. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. They have the cleanest ingredients and they're super vibrant. They stay on all day. I already prepped my skin earlier with the original liquid mineral foundation. I'm actually going to do almost like a half circle, and that's kind of just starting from the beginning of your eye to the end. I'm going to go right on in with the Dramatic Definer brush, and I'm going to use this kind of fluffier, denser side, and I want to use this side just to kind of diffuse the edges of this beautiful and vibrant pencil. And I'm doing this because I don't want anything harsh when I add shadow on top. And this is kind of working as a beautiful base. Blend that out really nicely. And even that right there is so beautiful, but I want to have more fun. So what I'm going to do is take some of this beautiful one called Sea Glass right here. And I want to take the same brush and I am going to pack that right on, and I like to tap it on so I don't get any fallout of shadow, and it really presses the pigment down, which is going to give you more long wear. So you really want to pack it in instead of just dusting it on, and that's going to give you the best long wear. So I'm really building this eye. I'm taking a clean brush and I'm just going up on the edges and buffing it. I'm going to actually take some of Pearl, which is this really lovely lighter shimmer, and add it underneath the brow bone and blend it now down into the shadow so that we create a really beautiful Mary. This is a really nice soft way to kind of have fun using very few items and get just a really magical blue eye. So now that I've evened out both my eyes, I'm going to take a little bit more of the same one, the Sea Glass, and I'm just gonna go right under my eye. So this is just gonna be like a really soft dust. And so when I add the mascara, everything will kind of be super cohesive, but I've got no sharp edges anywhere. And so I'm gonna take the same, and I'm literally dusting it just on the lash line basically and under. And this just makes it look whole. This color is so beautiful. Look how vibrant it is. So now that I've kind of evened out both, I'm going to go in with my Strength and Length mascara, my all-time favorite. And it's Serum-Infused, and it's got the most incredible paddle brush, and it's everything that you want in a mascara and more. Apply a little at the bottom. Best brush for bottoms too. This is my favorite color. It's called Serenity. It's what I have on. Just a really nice, this is the Gloss-Balm. And I love baby blues and blues with a light pink, so I think this marries and pairs this look together really well. Because your eye's a little bit more dramatic, and it would be really beautiful with a mask even, or with a black dress or anything that you would, love to wear. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you guys on the next one.